Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today I am going to discuss about the latest update of second PUC Karnataka State Board. Okay. So today I am discussing the model question paper as per the reduced syllabus for this academic year 2020-2021 of second PUC Language English. The total time duration will be 3 hours 15 minutes and the total marks will be for 100. And these are the instructions. You can just follow the instructions, just you can read once. Now coming back to the questions, I am just showing you the pattern here. Okay, first main 12 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. Totally you will be getting 12 marks. Okay, so 12 questions, 12 marks. You can read up these questions properly. And next, coming back to second main, you need to answer any 8 questions from this. You need to answer any 8 questions, choosing at least 2 from the poetry. Minimum 2 questions at least you have to solve from the, out of 8 questions you have to choose any 2 questions from the poetry, and rest 6 questions you can answer anything. But altogether you have to answer only 8 questions. 8 into 4, that is equals to 32 marks. Okay. And next, coming back to third main, answer the following in about 200 words. That is, you can see 1 into 6, that is equals to 6 marks. There is a choice here, 3 options has been given. Out of these 3 questions you have to answer any one. And next, coming back to fourth main, it's a passage. You have to read the complete passage and you need to answer the following. So it's a 10 into 1, that is equals to 10 marks. So total passage carries 10 marks. You have to read this passage carefully. I am just pausing it here. You can read up this passage. Okay. You need to read the passage carefully. And then you need to answer these questions. Okay, done. Good. Again, I am just continuing this. Is this clear? Good. And next, question number 25. 3 into 1 is equals to 3 marks. You need to answer this question. It carries 3 marks. And next, coming back to fifth main, that is question number 26. 3 into 1 is equals to 3 marks. It's a grammar part. Again, question number 27, 5 into 1 is equals to 5 marks. And next, coming back to question number 28, 4 into 1 is equals to 4 marks. This one question carries 4 marks. Question number 29, 2 into 1 is equals to 2 marks. And then question number 30, fill up. 4 into 1 is equals to 4 marks. This question carries 4 marks. Next, main 6, that is question number 31. You need to read this passage and make the notes by drawing and filling in the boxes given below. Each carries half mark. Totally you have got 8 questions here. It carries totally 4 marks. Just I am going to show you this flow chart. See this flowchart properly. You have to make a note of this flowchart in one paper. Copy down this flowchart properly. Is this clear? Good. And next, question number 32. You need to write a letter. Next, question number 33. This question carries 5 marks. Here, this question number 33, you will be getting a choice. Out of these 2, you need to answer any one. Next, main 7, question number 34, it carries 4 marks. Question number 35, it carries 1 mark. I hope you have understood, children. So this is model paper number 1, and now I'll be going to show you model paper number 2. Before I could go for model paper 2, I just like to give you one important note. If any students who are studying in class 10th SSLC, Karnataka State Board or CBSE students, so we are going to start a crash course of this upcoming Thursday, that is 4th of February 2021. Okay, so if we are taking a period of 90 days, every day we are going to assign the work, that is for Kannada, Mathematics, Science and Social for Karnataka board students, and Maths and Science for CBSE students. Okay, so if any students are interested, you have to follow up. Okay, and we are going to complete your entire syllabus. We assign you the important things, and also I'll be going to come live on Sundays, and I am going to deal with the subject. So do not miss any of my classes. Practice, put efforts. This is the time you have to show your talent. Okay, this time once if it goes from your hand, it never comes back to you. So be careful, and this is the time which you have to focus only on your studies rather than concentrating the other things. Okay, do not distract your mind, give concentration in one place. Okay, good. Next, coming back to model paper number 2, same way you can see here, this is the first main, 12 marks. This is the first main, 12 marks, 12 questions. And next, second main, 32 marks. And then third main, 6 marks. And then the fourth main, 10 marks. You need to read this passage carefully. Okay, next question number 24. And next question number 25. Next question number 26. Question number 27. Question number 28. Question number 29. Question number 30. Question number 31. And see this flowchart properly. Good. And question number 32. And children, still if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups, do subscribe it and click the bell icon and select all. So whichever the videos we are going to upload, you can find our videos instantly. Okay, and you will be getting the notifications at the same time. That is the reason we ask you to subscribe and click the bell icon. And if you have liked this video, you have to share this video with your all friends, so let they also get the update about the reduced syllabus as well the model question paper. Share this video as much as possible with your all friends. If you have liked this video, after completing this session, click the like button and comment below how was this class. This is question number 33. You have a choice here. Out of these two, you need to answer any one. This is question number 34. And then this is question number 35. So this is the end of your model question paper of English 2nd PUC Karnataka State Board for this academic year 2020-21. I hope you have liked this video. Click the like button and share this video. Comment below how was this class, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups. I hope the class was interesting and you have got the very important note. I am right? Very good, children. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well. Take care. Keep watching. Bye bye.